Yo, 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 we're back. For some reason the camera stopped. I'm not sure why. I don't know if my finger hit it.
Something. I'll get ready to stop this recording anyway.
Yep.
Another few minutes.
We just chimed back
in
in.
with us.
We heard it pop off. We didn't know why, so we're back. Let me flip this around. Give you that view. The wild parrots are cool too. They fly in big bunches, packs, whatever they call
They're
them.
noisy.
They are.
They're really
Super.
When they're flying through, you hear them.
Yeah, they're like crazy. They don't know which direction they're going.
Later on tonight, we'll be lighting the chimney,
Heck yeah.
playing some music. And we'll be doing that every now and again.
Heck yeah.
Filming that. We won't be talking much. It's a chill moment.
Right.
Do whatever you do.
Hopefully we'll be
put a couple in the air or
eating a few s'mores too. Get some marshmallows and grams and chocolate. All right.
Oh, look at Max waiting.
Oh, he's behind. There's Maxie.
Oh.
Is that you guys win already? Hey. Oh, he's got his little knuckle. Right. All right. Urban Hippie CR. Checking out. Be Rad, my beautiful wife Elisa. Give us a like, subscribe.
Check out that Cash App.
And a comment. All right. Peace and love.
Bye.